Hi Beb, this is Ivy and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to pay online the annual membership dues in Philippine Canine Club Incorporated or PCCI. If you are interested na malaman kung paano ito gawin, please keep watching until the end of this video. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, I invite you to please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Without any further ado, let's get started. Para po sa mga existing member ng PCCI, may marireceive kayong notice letter from PCCI gaya nito para sa annual membership dues. As you can see here sa number 1, makikita kung magkano ang dapat mong bayaran at nakalagay yung deadline dahil after January 15, magbabago na po yung rate ng dues. Babalik na po ito sa non-discounted rate ng annual membership dues gaya ng naka-indicate sa letter. Next, sa number 2 naman po, makikita ang payment options like China Bank and BDO payment. Once nabayad na kayo, kailangan nyo pong mag-save ng copy ng proof of payment. Pwedeng deposit slip or screenshot ng online payment gaya nito. After that, mag-i-email na po tayo sa PCCI para isubmit ang copy ng proof of payment with your name and PCCI membership number for verification. Ganito po yung ginawa ko. Ilagay yung email address na registration_pcci@yahoo.com. Then sa subject, kayo na po yung bahala kung ano po yung gusto nyong ilagay, like Annual Membership Dues Payment 2025. At ito naman po yung message content na nilagay ko. Para malaman kung ano yung membership ID number, makikita po ito sa inyong PCCI ID gaya nito. After that, i-attach yung copy ng proof of payment. Then, click send. On the next day, naka-receive naman po ako ng email confirmation from PCCI gaya nito na ina-acknowledge nila yung membership payment ko. After few weeks, may marireceive po tayong LBC package na naglalaman ng official receipt together with the validation sticker para sa membership renewal. But this time, or up to now, wala pa rin po akong natatanggap na resibo at validation sticker na ididikit sa PCCI ID ko. But don't worry, it's okay dahil na-mention naman po nila sa email na please bear with us for the mailing will take time due to experiencing maximum numbers of registration at the moment. At saka they are very transparent naman po pagdating sa transaction nyo sa kanila. Nagpapadala din naman po sila ng yearly PCCI magazine. So I think that's it for this video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo and thank you so much sa wala niyong sawang pagsuporta sa channel ko. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Thank you and God bless everyone. Follow for more.